Ultrex, a patented fiberglass that just might be the perfect window material. Ultrex is tough. It outlasts vinyl, roll-form aluminum, and other fiberglass composites. It won't corrode, it's low maintenance, and it's beautiful. We pioneered this revolutionary material and have nearly 20 years of experience working with it. We've used this time to perfect our manufacturing processes, making Ultrex the best fiberglass window you can buy. We make Ultrex with a special process called pultrusion. Thin, strong cables of glass are saturated with special resin compounds, then pulled through a heated die to form the final window components. Our patented pultrusion process creates a material so strong that we have to cut it with diamond-tipped blades. Ultrex is 8 times stronger than vinyl and as strong as steel. Because it's so strong, we can build our windows with a thinner frame profile. That gives you larger glass area for better views. They can withstand temperatures from 40 below to 350 above, with virtually no expansion or contraction. Vinyl and other materials will expand and contract. Over time, that can cause your windows to fail. But Ultrex is as thermally stable as the glass itself. Our acrylic cap finish is actually bonded to the fiberglass. It's up to 3 times thicker than the competition's thin painted finish and resists fading, scratching, and chalking.
We're putting on a thick film of acrylic material. We extrude it straight onto the product. It doesn't have any of the typical problems associated with paint where we have thin spots or runs or drips or orange peel. It's a real consistent finish. When we're manufacturing the product, we don't have to worry about it getting nicked up, or when an installer is putting a window in, it can take a little bit more abuse than a typical painted finish.
We're so confident in the performance of our Ultrex windows that we offer them in dark colors. Ultrex resists the sun's ultraviolet rays 5 times better than vinyl. It stands up to every climate, East Coast, West Coast, or anywhere in between. Ultrex can take whatever the weather dishes out. In sun, rain, or salt air, tough, beautiful Ultrex outlasts the competition.
The final product is a durable, structurally sound, long-lasting product that is better than anything else in the industry.